Hello everyone. I have this first case study for you, which is from the chapter Statistics and Probability. So, students of class 9, this is the bar graph for you. It is given to you, and a number of students residing in hostels of a university are marked. The survey was conducted to find number of students residing in different hostels of a university. And you can see in this the survey the numbers have not been marked on y-axis. It says the bar graph shows the number of students residing at different hostel buildings A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the names for the buildings. And in a university, the total number of students residing in the hostels is given as 1120, and you are supposed to do few questions. Question 1 is, which of the following would be the scale on the y-axis? In this question, you can use the total number of students which is given to you, and by taking that information in mind, you can easily calculate the scale which is there on the y-axis. And for the next one, we have how many students reside in hostel building C. If you have the scale with you for the y-axis, then you can easily plot the points on the y-axis and calculate the number of students who are residing in the hostel building C. How many more students are there in hostel F than in hostel A? Again, one thing is to be made clear that all questions are in relation to the questions we are doing previously. So if you have solution for question 1, that is the scale, everything becomes easy. Next question is, which of the following is true when a student is randomly selected from any hostel? So selecting randomly from any hostel, we are talking about the probabilities here. So it says, first part, a student residing in hostel B is more likely to be selected than a student residing in hostel G, as 3 by 14 is greater than 1 by 14. So we are talking about the probabilities here. And similarly, we have the other options over here, which says a student residing in hostel G is more likely to be selected than a student residing in hostel B, as 3 by 14 is greater than 1 by 14. A student residing in hostel B is more likely to be selected than a student residing in hostel G, as 5 by 14 is greater than 1 by 14. And the last one is, a student residing in hostel G is more likely to be selected than a student residing in hostel B, as 5 by 14 is greater than 1 by 14. The last one is, fill up with the correct option. The total number of students residing in hostel A and hostel G taken together is same as the total number of students residing in hostel and the next hostel taken together. So you have to look for the other two hostels which give the same number as that for A and G. So this one can also be calculated without the scale. You can just visualize and do it.